Oh, hello, I'm a dog. We are in the woods. I love this place. It's got to be up there with my favourite dog walks. Master brings me here once a week, at least. And I have now started a petition for it to be more than once. You can see autumn and winter is starting because there's so many leaves on the ground. Often, if there are leaves, there's also squirrels. That's just a heads up. If anyone listening has a dog, or knows a dog that likes chasing squirrels, it is also worth noting that lots of squirrels reside in these woods. The leaves are fun, I think. We get them at home. Master brings them together with a big tool he has. Then I can jump in the big leaf pile. It's great. I remember it from last year. I also seem to remember him picking me up and throwing me into the pile of leaves. I'm not sure why. I can't have done anything naughty. I also remember the white stuff that fell on the ground when it gets colder. I suppose, as I get older and wiser, I will learn things happen like that, and I'll know what to expect. Anyway, that's my dog story for this week. And to support the channel, please subscribe to Calypso the Poodle. Speak to you soon.